In today's video, I'm going to tell you guys how to get to 300 brake horsepower, aka stage 3 in your Fiesta ST 180. Obviously, all the parts that I'm listing right now, they are brand new parts, they are not second hand. You can pick up these parts for almost half the price or just a lot cheaper. Just get in contact with them on the Facebook Marketplace or in the Facebook groups, and you know, you can pick up your parts a lot cheaper. So it might even be less than £2 grand. So right off the bat, you're going to want a gravity stainless steel catback exhaust system, 3-inch. You can pick that one up for around 300 quid, very good price. You can also pick up a 47R turbo from Fastline Turbos, that's rated for 330 brake horsepower. 330 brake, that's pretty decent. £845 for a hybrid turbo, plus free delivery. You can't really complain about that, can you? You can pick up the Mishimoto J-Line intercooler for £219. It's rated for 40 psi. So you know, if you don't want to use a full height intercooler, you can always use this one. You can also pick up a Gravity 3-inch stainless steel D-cap, which literally bolts on to your other, you know, 3-inch catback exhaust that you got. And you can pick that one up for around 149 quid. You can get the TTS operated diverter valve, which is basically the poor man's go fast bits diverter valve, for around £39.95. Free shipping, I think, so that's decent on that one. Also, you're going to need a crossover pipe. I found a Ram Air crossover pipe for 109 quid. That's a good price as well. Silicone intake hose, that's £39.95, the same price as a diverter valve. Cone filter, you can pick up any cone filter for around what, £13.50. You can grab a tune for around 400 quid, £300, £500, £600. Each company is doing like different discounts at different rates, so just shop around and you'll find the best price. So let's put it around to 400 quid, and all of that comes up to £2,100 for catback exhaust, 47R turbo, stainless steel D-cap, operated diverter valve, crossover pipe, intake hose, cone filter, and the tune. Now, if I missed anything, let me know. You can literally get all these parts, these 9 parts, for like half of the price. You can just shop around, like I said. So you might even spend like £1 grand or even £1,400. That's the price that you can pay. So yeah, pretty good price, very good price in my opinion. £2,100. Video's not going to be long. Just wanted to share this with you guys. Solid 300 brake horsepower. So with that being said, it's your boy Shamsi signing out. Peace.